What's going on, everybody? I've got another Scentbird unboxing. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. If you're subscribed to my channel, I do these every single month. I just love this stuff, and I figure why not share it with you, is because they give me a little affiliate link, a referral link, whatever you want to call it, and I put that down in the description bar for you. So if you decide to try this out, maybe give this as a gift to somebody, you're going to get your second month on me, and then we both win. So that's a cool thing. You'll get a free month, I'll get a free month. It's a win-win all around. Maybe you haven't seen my videos before and you don't know what this is, but let's crack this thing open and I'll tell you. Basically, it's a monthly subscription box for colognes or perfumes or whatever it is, and they're just now getting into candles and hand creams and things of that nature, and I think that's really cool. They're branching out, they're doing their own thing, but what this is, what I subscribe to, is the monthly fragrance box for men. It's a cologne box, and I pick the colognes every single month. Once you get everything out of the package, you're gonna get a little card like this, and this card's gonna tell you everything that you need to know about the scent that you picked for that month. It's gonna tell you all the ingredients here. You can see this one just has the fragrance, some water, coumarin, and a bunch of stuff I can never say. I can never say any of this stuff, but this one here, I usually get whatever's fresh, whatever's new. I like to change my stuff up. It'll come in this little cardboard tube, which is actually pretty sturdy. These make great like travel tubes too. So like whether you're putting your pills in there or things like that, I actually just use it for my Scentbird thing. Like I'll put my cologne right in there if I'm traveling. This way I don't have to worry about breaking anything or having anything leak out. But it'll come in a little tube just like this, little container just like this, and it's gonna be, does it have the size on here? I think it's like 0.1 milliliter, yeah, 0.27 fluid ounces. So basically what that equates to, guys, is a 1 month supply, and that's a 1 month supply if you're doing 4 sprays per day. And I'm definitely not doing that, or maybe it's 4 sprays 3 times per day or something. It's something crazy like that. I can tell you, for me, once you start getting these in, you're changing your colognes almost daily or maybe weekly or something like that. But for me, a cologne will last, you know, maybe 2 or 3 months, depending on how much I like it. Ones that I really like, I'll just order 1 or 2 of them. And the other thing that you can do, if you really like the cologne, you can just buy the whole thing, like the full-size bottle, and they'll give you like a discount. So that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool thing that they do. And then the other thing is, you don't just get them like this. With your first order, they're going to send you one of these tubes here, and it's going to have, you know, Scentbird written on it. And what it is you put your cologne inside there, and it's just like a little travel case, and you turn this thing and it'll open it up and you can spray your cologne. So when you're traveling, you want to keep it in your pocket. It's very small. It's just really cool. It's a really smart idea, and it's really cheap, guys. It's like $14.95 a month. That includes shipping. And again, if you use the link down below, that's going to save you guys basically $14.95. You're going to get your second month for free. So you sign up, pay for your first month, second month's on me. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you like this. If you do, click subscribe down below. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, everybody.